Greetings everyone. I am Ujjwal Kumar from Section 8. My roll number is 21MT10059. You see that many times we forget to switch off the submersible motor, due to which a lot of water gets wasted overflowing from the overhead water tank. That's why I have made automated overhead water tank system using Tinkercad software. This will automatically turn off the motor and will produce a sound due to this piezo buzzer. Now I show what components I have used to make this. This is the list of components that I have used to make this system. Besides these components, I have also used a small breadboard and wires that is not listed there. You can see the schematic view of the system to better understand the connections that I have made. Now let's again return to circuit view. Now I will show you what logics I have implemented using blocks. Let's fit to view this. As you can see, first of all, I have defined a water level variable that will read ultrasonic distance to measure the depth of water. Then I have printed this water level to serial monitor. Now I have implemented conditional statement using if command. First, if water level is greater than 100 centimeter, then these two commands will run and our motor will be switched on, and this green LED will glow, and also this multimeter will show voltage reading. As we have connected this in parallel connection to this motor, and water starts filling in the tank. As soon as water fills up to 100 centimeter depth, then this command will run. According to this, if water level is less than 100 centimeter, then these two commands will turn the motor off and water will stop filling. And also with the help of this command, our buzzer will start producing sound, and this red LED will glow, and also this oscilloscope will show some deflection, and else I have turned this buzzer off. Now I will check the code in the Arduino IDE. First of all, let's select all this and then Ctrl plus C, and in the Arduino IDE, let's paste this code and then click on verify. Save this. It's compiling. You can see my code is successfully compiled. Now I will show you the actual working of my circuit. For this, let's go to blocks only and then open our serial monitor to see the reading here, and then fit to view, and then I zoom out with this. Let's click on start simulation. As you can see, depth here is 207 centimeter. So the motor is in working state, and green LED is also glowing, and we can see reading 4.69 volt in this multimeter. Now let's decrease the depth. You see no changes since it's greater than 100. Now as it goes 99, which is less than 100, buzzer starts, and this red LED also glows, and this oscilloscope shows some deflection. You can also see that motor stops and there is no any reading in this multimeter. And as the water level again goes below, This sound stops and this motor again starts and we can again see the reading 4.69 volt in this multimeter. So I have explained everything. Thank you.